Here, I will show you how to enable wireless debugging in Samsung Galaxy A16. Go to your settings. In Settings app, scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you should see these developer options. In your settings, if you don't have these developer options, first of all, let's see how to enable developer options. To enable developer options, in your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom and select About Phone. Here, you have to select Software Information and tap on Build Number for 7 times. Verify your phone lock. And here you can see developer mode has been enabled. Now, go to your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and now here you should see developer options. Just tap on that. In here, if you scroll down, here you will find this USB debugging option. If you see this option grayed out not working, then first of all you have to connect your phone with your computer with the cable. Once you connect it, now you will be able to easily enable USB wireless debugging by turning on this option. And this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching.